Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth and slow motion video editing using CapCut. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, I'm going to use CapCut on mobile. So first of all, you can open up your CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create new project here. Okay, and then you're going to choose a video that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select this video. You can choose one video or multiple videos, it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to choose 2 videos and click on add to add the videos to our CapCut project. Okay, and then here you can go to the speed menu to customize the speed of your video. I'm going to go to the speed, and here we can choose either we want to use the normal speed or the curve, or you can also create velocity effect, but fortunately only one is free, the flash velocity, and the other ones is the other one are not free. Okay, and then I'm just going to use normal. And to create smooth and slow motion video, we need to reduce the speed like this. I'm going to reduce it to 0.5. Okay, we can make it slower. And if you have CapCut Pro, you can activate the smooth slow motion. You can create you can choose faster process or better quality. I'm going to choose faster process, and we just need to wait. Unfortunately guys, it's not free, and you need to subscribe to CapCut to get this feature. Okay, wait, this effect is being applied to my video. Guys, wait. Alright, it's done. The smooth and slow motion effect has been applied, and let's play it. Okay, yeah, it's so smooth. And then for this one as well, I'm going to apply, but wait, I'm going to split my video. Okay, I'm just going to use first part. Okay, like this. And for my second video, I think it's already slow-mo. Okay, it's already slow-mo. It's super slow-mo. Wait, I'm going to remove this part, and I'm going to add black fade transition. Okay, and I'm going to increase the duration, and let's play it. Okay, and to make it more dramatic, you can add music. I'm going to go to the audio, and then I'm going to choose sounds, and I'm going to choose audio from CapCut. I'm going to select I'm going to select peace and calm, and I'm going to choose this music. Okay, sorry, I cannot play it louder because of the copyright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth and slow motion CapCut editing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.